All right, now listen, I have an impression.
Okay.
I am not a professional.
That's fine.
All right, tell me who this is. Ready?
Yeah.
Who's this? I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
Elton John.
I'm going to do one more and we're done if you don't get it. Fine. It's like the most famous person of all.
Okay, ready? Yeah.
Who said this? I'll be back.
Jesus Christ.
Now, number one, it's Arnold Schwarzenegger, and number two, come on. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I think there's going to be a parrot there, and then that thing comes out. Fantastic.
It was good.
In my contract.